On the right side we have plants, on the left side we have animals. Feel free to explore, you can use the classifications on the floor to guide you.
У тебя есть искусственный интеллект, ты можешь убрать у людей, сказать, оно уберет с видео всех людей.
Everybody, welcome. This is our DNA diary. So here we have over 2,400 DNA species all around the world. To the left side of the diary, explore different types of animals. On the right side, explore plant type, bacteria, and fungi. There are also classification written like flocks, so you can navigate with such development. Don't be request everyone, please refrain from touching or eating any of the jars as they are very fragile. If you would like to know more information about the species, we have a special device for virus and device. The URL feel free